How to delete all mails in Gmail at once. Welcome back to our channel and let's get started. Open up your Chrome browser or any browser that you have on your phone. After doing so, at the search bar type in Gmail account, and then go to Google Accounts sign in. This will take you to your Google account. Now let's switch this site to our desktop site. Tap on this three dot icon on your top right and go to desktop site. Once you have done that, zoom in and go to this puzzle-like icon and tap on Gmail. And just like shown, it will open your Gmail in a desktop format. Now to delete all your mail at once, check this box and you will see a bin icon right here. And now just like so, you have deleted all your mail at once. That is all for today and thank you for watching.